Hey guys, welcome back to the workshop. ArtisanPirate here, and today we're going to be replacing one of the older tools here in the shop with a new tool I picked up on a sale earlier in the week. I'm going to show you the older tool we're going to be replacing, but before I do that, I've got more stickers, and I'd like to give shout outs to Rough Seas Woodwork. I like that logo with the anchor. Flags by Vets Woodworking Incorporated. Thank you all veterans for your service. Weekender Woodworks and Authentically Alamance County, North Carolina. Those will go up on the sticker swap sticker box. If you want a sticker swap with me, just shoot me your address and I'll get an ArtisanPirate sticker out to you. Now let's go and look at the older tool that I'm going to be replacing. This is the table saw that is currently out here in the shop. It was my grandfather's table saw. He used it for many, many years. It served him well for the work that he did out here in the shop. The rip fence is starting to get a little iffy. It's one of those where you twist the handle and slide it, and you see it don't want to slide very well. The blade is starting to get really hard to make it go up and down when you turn the crank. Also, it does not bevel, so the blade does not tilt to do those special angle cuts, and I'm really wanting to start learning how to do those. So the saw is starting to show its age. I can find next to nothing about it on the internet, looking up stuff on the websites and all. The only thing that has a name brand on it, it says manufactured for Lowe's Companies Incorporated. That's all I had to go on. I've searched it, and the only thing I did really find out was that it was made in the very early 1980s. So if anybody knows where I can download an old manual just to see if I can find parts for it or anything like that, please leave it down in the comments below. But this saw has also served me well, but it is now to step up and start learning some more woodworking techniques like dado cuts and half lap joints. So this saw is going to be put away in the storage building, and let me show y'all the saw that I decided to go with. This is the table saw I decided to go with. It is a Kobalt portable table saw. It comes on a stand with wheels, which is real nice for moving it around. It is a 15 amp 10-inch table saw. It comes with a 3-year hassle-free guarantee. I got this at Lowe's on a sale. The model number is 048627. I'm not going to do an unboxing video. I'm going to show you stages of the unboxing, but there's already tons of unboxing videos over on YouTube and how to set it up step by step, so I'm not even going to bother with that. But let's get this saw unboxed. Let's start putting it together and introduce this saw to its new home. Here is what you see as soon as you open the box and get all the plastic off of it. Kobalt saw blade, the manual, and a lot of styrofoam, and a lot of the parts that make up the stand. Seems to be a very good quality construction. So what I'm going to do is take all this out, start putting it together, and I'll get back with y'all when I get some of this put together. I now have the leg assembly put together. I've got the wheels put on. Everything seems to be of a high quality construction. Now the instructions are saying for me to stand it up outside the box with the handles here. So I'm going to do that and get this table saw facing upright. Here is the fully assembled Kobalt table saw. It looks to be an awesome machine. I think it's going to be an awesome addition out here in the shop. I cannot wait to give it a full test run. I will probably do another overview of it after I've used it a few times. But let me move the camera a little bit closer, and I'm going to show y'all some of the features that come on this table saw. Here is the close-up view of the Kobalt table saw, the table, It's nice and sturdy construction. I love the miter gauge. It slides real smooth. The blade guard and the ribbon knife are all very nice, high quality construction. The fence, something I like, it don't lock only in the front, it locks in the back as well, and then you slide it. So I think locking in the back will be a very great feature for completely straight cuts. The nice cobalt blue push stick is stored in the rip fence for ease of convenience. When you're cutting, you don't have to reach down under the saw to get it or nothing like that. The table extends with just the pull of a lever here. Slides very smooth. I can do it one-handed. There's no grabs. I really like that. The back here comes out for a longer stock. I really love that. But I think, again, this is going to be an awesome addition to the workshop. I cannot wait, again, to try it out and give it a full test run. But here it is, the Kobalt Table Saw. I love it. Okay, I think that is going to be an awesome addition out here in the workshop. I'm really excited to start learning how to do miter cuts, dado cuts, French cleats, and rabbets and all that on a table saw. I'm really excited to learn all that. The old table saw was good for what I was using it for, but now I think it's time to step up and really start sinking my teeth into what all a table saw is capable of. I've always heard that the table saw is the heart of the woodworking shop, but for me that's never been the case. I learned on my grandfather's radial arm saw is where I learned how to do ripping and cross cuts with wood. So I'm really excited about this new adventure with the table saw. Thank you all for watching this video. Please continue to like and share my videos. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. I'd really love that. Thank you all for watching. Take care and God bless.